Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can record a YouTube audio with Audacity. So first thing to do is download your Audacity. For Windows version, if you use a Windows, or if you use a Mac OS, you can download the Mac OS version. So after you download, you can easily install the Audacity and open the Audacity now. Here you can record by click on this button, record new track. Then open your YouTube, choose your video or audio that you want to record. For example, the copyright free audio or video. Here this one, for example. Let's turn down the volume first. Open the or you can adjust the equalizer of the audio here. So feel free to try, learn this Audacity, record audio that you want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.